Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be showcasing two different scales of a 1995 Volkswagen Jetta from the first Fast and Furious movie. Yep, it's Jesse's Jetta, and in all of its pure white glory. So we have a 1/32 scale Jetta and a new 1/64 scale Hot Wheels. So we'll go ahead here and take a look at them. I had them spinning around a little bit earlier. We'll take a look at the Hot Wheels first. Alright, this is Hot Wheels' rendition of the 1995 Volkswagen Jetta, which is Jesse's Jetta. Looks pretty freaking cool. This whole series, I was finally able to get a hold of all 5 of them. I will be reviewing the whole premium set here shortly, but I've been wanting to do a video with the 2 of them together, the larger scale and the 1/64 scale. Go ahead here and take a look. I think Volkswagen did an awesome job. This is a brand new cast. This is one of 2 new castings in that first Fast and Furious lineup of the premium cars. This Jetta, which they have it listed, they don't have a year, it just says Mk3 Volkswagen Jetta. I looked up the specs, and the one in the movie was, I guess, supposed to be a 1995, and it was supposed to have been powered by a VR6 twin turbo, supposedly with nitrous, of course. The actual car, I believe, was a 2-liter motor. I think it did have a supercharger on it. Still, the nickname would be 2 Point Slow, because they were not very fast cars. And of course, Jesse loses to Tran in the first movie, and he's supposed to give over his pink slip to his father's Jetta to Tran, who of course says he has $100,000 of upgrades on his S2000, and of course Dominic says don't race him or whatever, and then he's stupid enough and still does it. This Hot Wheels is all over metal, of course, and has the Real Riders tires. What's cool is the wheels, or at least, well, these are 6-spoke. The actual hero car in the movie are 7-spoke Koenigs, and but these are a close rendition. I love the stance. This looks great. Like the front, it looks really cool. Actually, looks better than the actual movie car. And I like how they did the rain gutters there with the 2 black rubber stripes on the roof. Looks great. Now they don't have on the Wings West wing and body kit, they don't have the black. I believe the actual car in the movie, this center section was supposed to be like black carbon. There's a couple things they're missing, I guess, that they couldn't get rights to. The mirror image or whatever, the MI logo should be on the hood isn't there, and a couple other little decals here and there are not present, but it's still really cool. I do have Racing Champions version of it from years ago. I bought new in 2001 or 2. Yeah, it says 1995 on the bottom. I'll just bring that in. Unfortunately, I never got the white one. I had a red one, but this is the same casting, and it's really small compared to the Hot Wheels car. It's quite interesting how small it is. Really a big difference. And they actually even have the C-pillars and stuff on this Racing Champions. It's not bad. And they go for a good bit of money on eBay. I looked a while ago, and people want $30, $40 to $50 a piece for them. Pretty crazy. But I've had that since new. So there's some detailing on the bottom, but anyway, we'll get back to the 2 white ones. Alright, we'll move on to the Jetta 1/32 scale. We'll go ahead here and take a look at it. Alright, this is Jetta's version of Jesse's Jetta from the first Fast and Furious, and it's pretty well done. It's got the Wings West body kit and the wing, and it's missing a few things here and there, obviously with the sponsor decals and whatnot, but it's a pretty good representation. It's just cool to have another Volkswagen in my collection. I have a lot of Volkswagen stuff, and it's hard to find good Volkswagen water-cooled items such as this. So when I saw this at Walgreens, of course, I snatched it up immediately. I will have a detailed video of this eventually, how I want to go over it and do the red steering wheel and all that to match, and that roof antenna, and try to do some stuff to it to match the movie car. What's interesting about this, we're going to stop it here. We have a attempt to does have the 4 lug wheels and at least 7 spokes, supposed to be like the Koenig wheels that are on the actual Hero car. I'm not sure why they didn't do any kind of mirrors. Maybe the actual car didn't have mirrors. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm pretty sure it did though. I remember in the scene where they show it from the side when he's about ready to drag race Tran, it doesn't have any brake calipers in the front. I think they were large aluminum discs to hide the crappy small brakes that were on the car. So if you look at shots like online, it's weird how there was no brake caliper. Anything I don't like about this, the sunroof looks really small, looks out of proportion, kind of strange, but it has some potential, I think. 132nd, of course, is it's a pullback car. See, if you pull back, it starts to take off on its own. But it definitely has some potential to it. And like I said, it's just hard to find water-cooled Volkswagen toys. And so to be able to grab this for $5 and something was a steal in my eyes. Just pretty cool. But it definitely needs detailed. They do have a black decal here on the top of the wing. Wheels are inset really far. I think it would look cool to bring the wheels out some and go over the whole car and detail it. So stay tuned for that. I'm hoping to be able to do that in the near future. So there you go. There's Jesse's Jetta. Pretty cool. 1/32nd scale and 1/64th. It's kind of interesting to see 50% size next to the 1/32nd scale. Pretty awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Heck, it's free. Can't beat free. So make sure you hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye now.